Hello, today we're going to be making water walk a rainbow, or in scientific terms, we're going to be painting using capillary action. What's capillary action? Well, if you've ever put a tissue down on a bit of water, you'll have seen the water slowly creep up the tissue. That's because the water molecules have a bond with each other, and they also have a bond with the material. And so the water pulls itself along it, sort of like it's climbing a ladder. This is strong enough that it can actually even go against gravity. So today you're going to become a scientist using capillary action to do an artist's job of making a fantastic rainbow. First things first, you'll need some toilet roll or kitchen roll, some cups, some paint, or you can use some food colouring. It doesn't really matter as long as the colours are nice and bright. You'll need something to stir it with and a jug of water. Colours are important. You'll need red, yellow, blue, then red again. You'll see why in a minute. Then you need to fill the cups to just above halfway. Next you need to add the paint. Make sure you stir the paint in really well. Next you're going to need 3 more cups, but don't put any paint in them, just put them in between and fill them to above halfway. Then you need to fold the paper towels like this. You'll need to put one end into the red cup and then the other end into the clear water, kind of like a little bridge. It's really important to make sure that each end of the paper towel is properly inside the water. Do this for the rest of the cups as well. As you do this, notice how the capillary action is pulling the coloured water up and into the tissue. It'll be really interesting to see how far capillary action can pull each of the different colours. This is what mine looked like just a couple minutes after I'd finished. You can see that the paints are already starting to mix. Now for the hardest bit, which is leaving it for a day to see what happens next. Okay, so this is the next day, and you can see that for me, my colours have all been pulled along with capillary action, and the red is mixed with the yellow to become orange, and the blue and the yellow have mixed to become green, and I think this turned out quite well. I'm really looking forward to seeing your results, so make sure you send them in to me, and I hope that you enjoy doing a little bit of a hands-on investigation. I mean, science, art, I'm not sure at this point, it's really just kind of playing, isn't it? But hey, that's the great thing about learning. Right, that's everything from me for now. I'll catch you next time.